Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Brian. Welcome to Epicurean Atlanta Hotel and the Epicurean Theater. We've got a really fun program for you tonight, cheese and charcuterie.
Well, my name is Andrea Johnston. Our business is the gathering board. What we're doing is creating an experience. So that's really our focus at the gathering board, is taking regular food, delicious food, high quality, fresh ingredients, but making it look beautiful.
I am the sommelier here at the hotel and the beverage manager, and I selected your wines for the evening.
Tonight, what we're going to do is show you how we put together boards. I'm going to teach you all my tricks. Everybody's boards look different, and I love that. I love it because that's your personality coming through. So I want you to have fun with it. I like to put the cheeses on my board first, and I'm going to put them kind of in like a triangle. This is the part of the class where we let you go. What you have on there is all the rest of the makings for a well-balanced charcuterie board. Do whatever you want because this is your board. Let me just take a moment and say thank you so much again for choosing to spend your Friday night with us, and I hope that you learned some amazing tips and just enjoy feeding your friends and family. Thank you.